Hey guys, would you like to make money like this using your cell phone? Well, in today's video, I'm going to show you how. Hey, would you like to win some free money? Well, all you have to do is subscribe to this channel, hit the like button, share this video, and type a number that will pop up somewhere in this video. Type it down in the comments below. It's going to help you increase your chances of winning the free money once I reach 8,000 subscribers. Now let's get into this video. This is AppGrind TV. Get your grind on. You have tuned in to AppGrind TV with your boy Reggie P, and I help entrepreneurs make money on autopilot. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can earn $650 per day just using your cell phone. Now, if you're new to my channel, I help entrepreneurs make money online, make money on YouTube, and make money with apps. And for every 1,000 new subscribers I receive, I give away free money. So do yourself a favor and hit that subscribe button. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so you won't miss any videos that I drop. And give me a like. It really helps out my channel, and it helps out this video to be seen by more people on YouTube. And drop a comment down below if you have any questions about this method. Now guys, please watch this video all the way to the very end, because a number is going to pop up somewhere in this video. As soon as you see that number, type it down in the comments below. It's going to help you increase your chances of winning the free money once I reach 8,000 subscribers. Now without further ado, let me hop over here to this site and show you how this method worked. Now let's grind and let's get it. Okay guys, I'm at this website. Name of this website is Hire Sign. So on this website, they have jobs that you can apply for, and they all work from home jobs. So let's just read a little bit about this website right quick. So few benefits of working from home: better flexibility, more time, and freedomness. Now find work and get hired. So they have typing jobs, they have paid survey jobs, and they have proofreading jobs. So what you're going to apply for is proofreading jobs. Reason why, because there's a software out there that you can use that will do the work for you. You don't have to really do anything at all. And I'm going to show you that software in a minute, so please bear with me. Now let me just scroll down here and read a little bit more. So they have 380,000 projects, 244,000 online workers, 15,900 clients, and 83 global awards. Now what you're going to do when you come to this website, just click right here where it says current openings, and you're going to look for proofreading jobs. So here's the proofreading job. So full-time, part-time, remote positions. Now here are the technical requirements. So minimum 16 years old, got to have a desktop or a laptop PC, Microsoft Office installed for work on your working PC, internet connectivity, or you could just have a mobile phone. Now here are the skill requirements. So elementary skills in proofreading, good knowledge of internet-based applications, an ability to represent yourself before clients whenever required, good communication skills, ability to manage time, efficiency, to produce good results, and quick to learn and grasp new things and concepts. Now I'm sure you want to know this, guys, how much you would get paid. So you get paid $5 to $10 for each page. So each page that you proofread, you'll get $5 to $10, guys. And flexible hours. So you don't have to worry about working a 9 to 5. And they have a huge virtual work network. Now, what I'm going to do, guys, is go to this website and show you this software you can use where it's going to do all the proofreading for you. So let me go to that website right now. Hey guys, we're going to get back to the video in a minute, but I just want to let you guys know that it shows here that 84% of you guys are not subscribed. I need you guys subscribed. Let's grow this channel. So hit that subscribe button right now, please. Now back to the video. Okay guys, I'm at the website, and the name of this website is Reverso. So to get here, you just go to reverso.net, and as you can see, they have translations. So if you need to translate any type of language, you just put it in here and it'll translate it. They have context, so translate and learn millions of words and expressions. They have grammar check. They have synonyms and conjunctions. So guys, if you have any grammar check or anything, you just click this button right here and it corrects the grammar. So guys, this is the tool, this is software you use. Okay guys, thank you for watching this video all the way to the very end. Before you click away, don't forget to hit that like button for me and help me to get at least 25 likes. And drop a comment down below if you have any questions about this method. And please share this video all around the internet, because I really want to help everybody I can to make money online and become their own boss. And last but not least, please hit that subscribe button and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you won't miss any videos that I drop, because I make videos like this every other day. Okay guys, thank you for tuning in. Road to 8,000. Let's go, let's get it. And on that note, get your grind on, because our grind is real. Please go check out these other videos before my next one come out. Peace and have a prosperous day.